Hey everyone, this is Hans from User Growth, and today we're talking about what SEO is and is not. We're unlocking the secrets of SEO in just under 2 minutes and clearing up some misconceptions along the way. Are you ready? Let's go! SEO, or search engine optimization, is the art and science of persuading search engines like Google, Bing and Yahoo to recommend your content to their users as the best solution to their problem. Did you know that out of all people seeing those search results when looking for a solution to their problem, 70 to 80% of users ignore the paid ads, focusing only on the organic results? 49% of marketers even say that organic search is the channel with the highest ROI. So yeah, you can see why understanding what SEO is your ticket to digital success. SEO though is not some magic trick, a one-time fix, or about tricking search engines. SEO is an ongoing process that involves strategic planning, execution and maintenance. Now that we set the record straight, let's break down the 3 components of SEO. On-page SEO, off-page SEO and technical SEO. First up, on-page SEO. This involves optimizing your site's content, meta tags, headings and URLs to ensure search engines can easily understand and index your content. The golden rule here: create high quality, engaging and relevant content that your audience loves. Next, we have off-page SEO, which revolves around building trust and credibility for your website. One way to do this is by earning backlinks from reputable websites. Think of these as votes of confidence that help boost your site's reputation in the eyes of search engines. Finally, let's talk about technical SEO. This aspect focuses on improving your site's infrastructure, ensuring it's fast, mobile-friendly and secure. A well-optimized website with a strong technical foundation will not only please search engines but also provide a great user experience for your visitors. And that's a wrap. SEO truth and components in under 2 minutes. To recap, SEO is an ongoing process that focuses on creating high-quality content, earning valuable backlinks and optimizing both on-page and technical aspects of your site. Master these and you'll be climbing the search engine ranks in no time. Hungry for more? Check out our in-depth article on SEO by clicking the link in the description below. Trust us, it's worth the read. Thanks for tuning in, and of course, if you like all the videos and the content that we're giving to you to help you grow your business online and want to help back, please subscribe, like, share this video, tell other people about it. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.